Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Open the updated Health app and sign in with your primary account. Give the app the essential permissions, location, health data, and notifications so it can collect accurate readings. Once done, update your personal profile with age, weight in kilograms, and any medications because those values change recommendations. Then connect a wearable or scale before proceeding. This live link ensures real-time syncing and prevents later calibration work. Make sure to allow background refresh so measurements update when you're Next, tailor the app to your routine by setting specific goals, steps per day, sleep hours, and calories per day, because precise targets drive better recommendations. Then integrate data sources, pair wearables, import other health apps, and add lab results so the app has a full picture. Syncing frequency controls battery and data costs. Once integrated, adjust privacy and sharing, choose who sees trends, set data retention to 1 year or shorter, and enable end-to-end encryption for sensitive items to keep control over your information. To finish, review the dashboard and confirm trends, active alerts, and the weekly summary reflect your goals because that validates setup quality. Schedule regular check-ins and weekly report exports, and enable CSV export if you need to share with a clinician. Make a manual backup now and turn on automatic backups afterward to avoid data loss. If data stops updating, force a sync, restart your device, and reinstall the app only if the issue persists. This often clears stale permissions or corrupted caches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.